Motorola phones offer great sound and cameras, but losing contacts can be frustrating. In this video, we'll show how to back up Motorola contacts to your computer using Mobikin Assistant for Android, Android Backup and Restore, Gmail, and Bluetooth. Way 1. How to transfer contacts from Motorola phone to computer with Assistant for Android. Many users now value backing up contacts, but worry about unreliable tools. Mobikin Assistant for Android offers a safe, easy way to transfer and manage contacts, SMS, music, photos, and apps on your computer. How can I transfer contacts from a Motorola phone to computer with Mobikin Assistant for Android? Step 1. Launch the program and link Moto to computer. Download, install, and launch Assistant for Android on computer. Hook up Motorola to computer via USB cable. Step 2. Choose Motorola Contacts for migration. Choose Contacts, All Contacts from the left menu. Then a list of contacts will appear on the screen. Simply select the exact items to preview and then mark your wanted ones. Step 3. Transfer contacts from Motorola to computer. Press Export from the top menu to get your contacts exported to computer and save them as a proper file like CSV, VECF, etc. The processing time varies depending on how many contacts your phone stores. Way 2. How do I transfer contacts from Motorola to computer via Android Backup and Restore? Mobikin Backup Manager for Android works like Assistant for Android. It quickly backs up contacts, messages, call logs, photos, and more to your computer and lets you restore them anytime. Step 1. Download this backup and restore tool for Motorola. Follow the installation wizard to install it and start it on computer. Then you may need to enable USB debugging on Motorola and follow the prompts to let the tool recognize the phone. Step 2. After the successful connection, you'll see the main interface with backup and restore options displayed. Just choose backup and all types of data on Motorola phone will be shown to you. Here, mark contacts and hit browser to find a location on computer to put the contacts there. Step 3. Tap on Backup button from the lower right corner to transfer contacts from Motorola to computer easily. Way 3. How can I transfer contacts from a Motorola phone to computer with Gmail? Step 1. On Motorola, go to Settings Accounts Google. Sign in and turn on Sync Contacts. Step 2. On your computer, open Gmail Contacts Export. Step 3. Choose Contacts, select the card, and click Export. Way 4. How to export contacts from Motorola phone to computer via Bluetooth. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth on Motorola and computer. Step 2. Pair the devices, enter passcode if needed. Step 3. On Motorola, select contacts and send via Bluetooth. Step 4. Accept on computer to transfer. Way 5. How to transfer contacts from Moto to PC by Export Contacts. Contact Mover. Install Export Contacts. Contact Mover on Motorola, grant permissions, and tap Export VECF or CSV. Transfer the file to your PC via USB, email, or cloud. Then open it in Excel, Outlook, or Windows Contacts. Way 6. How to copy contacts from Moto to PC via Xender. Install Xender on Motorola and tap Connect PC. On your computer, visit web.xender.com and scan the QR code with your phone. In Xender, select Contacts and tap Send to transfer them to your PC.